So for this single group coffee machine, the model is CM280. We have the single brew head, the power knob, the steam wand for steams, two sides for steams, and also the single shot button, double shot button, and also the setup button. When you long press this button, you can adjust the parameters inside. Yes. Also for the main body, stainless steel 304. Stainless steel main body. The side is aluminum. Also you can, this one is China domestic plug for China use. Very popular outlook for the appearance, very popular.